Nature is a calming and peaceful world. It comprises of trees, animals, and birds. We have learned to call it Mother Nature, but sadly, all we do is ruthless torture. Nature is so beautiful, it blows our mind. You can lose yourself in it or find yourself at the same time. Let's be sensible humans and show our humanity. Let's protect Mother Nature for our community. Hello, dear children. This week we are celebrating World Nature Conservation Day and International Tiger Day. Dear children, World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July all over the world to raise awareness about the importance of natural resources and to encourage people about the practices of protecting natural resources. Nature conservation means to protect nature using natural resources wisely and protect wildlife and promote biodiversity. As we all know that there are several threats to nature like deforestation, pollution, illegal wildlife trade, using chemicals and using plastics, etc. And we all know that Earth has provided basic necessity to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food, etc. So we should keep our nature clean and healthy. Now there are some methods through which we can conserve the environment. Most important is recycling. Children, try to buy reusable and biodegradable products as much as possible. Save water and reduce the consumption of water wherever possible. Reduce the use of electricity and make sure to turn off electric appliances when work is done. Plant trees and make planet green. Do not litter here and there. Always put the garbage in the garbage bin. So children, we all must participate to protect and conserve our natural resources. Children, 29 July every year is observed as International Tiger Day. It is observed to raise awareness and support for tiger conservation. Tigers are the largest cat species on Earth. They are among one of the endangered species. Tigers have lived on this planet for over 2 million years, and today only 3,000 tigers are left. Tigers are facing extinction, which is a major issue. The reason behind extinction of tigers is they are killed for their whisker, skin, bones, teeth, claws, brain, etc. and tiger parts are used for traditional Asian medicine. Children, just think, what will happen if there is no tiger left on Earth? All the species in the ecosystem are connected to one another. If one goes down, entire ecosystem will collapse. So, why do we need tigers? We need tigers because they support livelihood. They balance our ecosystem as they are top of the food chain and they are the symbol of national pride. Look at the tigers, mighty and strong. Killing them for their fur is very wrong. Save tiger, otherwise you will lose the pride. So save the tiger and save a life. So on this day, let us make a conscious effort to contribute to local, national and global efforts in conserving nature and benefits which they provide for present and future generations. Save the tiger and conserve the nature. Thank you.